A plaque was unveiled in memory of Idloes Owen at a house in Cardiff North recently. This was part of the 70th anniversary celebrations of the National Opera this year. Idloes Owen lived on Station Road, Llandaff, in the 1940s. He was the founder, leader and producer of Welsh National Opera. He also was Sir Geraint Evans' first tutor. The son of a coal miner, he worked in the coal mine after leaving school at the age of 12. Following a period of illness and with the support of the community, he managed to gather enough funds to allow him to study music at Cardiff University. Taking part were Ysgol Glan Ceibal, Hawthorne Primary School and Ysgol Gyfun Gymraeg Glan Taf. The family who now live at the house are very happy to display the plaque in his memory.